Friends, this is Bhupati Raj, Mantra IAS Academy, Hyderabad. Today's topic, a very important topic that coding and decoding for our UPSC Civil Services Examination, you can say CSAT paper 2. My friend, this topic is not only for UPSC examination, you can say it's for CSE, Civil Services Examination, but no, it will be useful for all, each and every examination. And if anybody wants to join a program, most welcome, and I can share this one. And this I can explain the basic the fundamental point, how to solve the problems of coding and decoding. This is the topic of today. So very interesting and important topic, friends. In every exam, definitely you can get a minimum, right? At least definitely minimum 3, 4, 5, based on the examination, you can find these questions, the topic actually. So before starting of coding and decoding, anytime, right, you have to do one thing. What is that, sir? First of all, write all the alphabets. Means this is what you can say, A, B, C, D, E. Like that. Now, up to what you say that, generally, again, you have to continue till X, Y, Z, and in reverse. Start from this A, B, C. Again, W, X, and Y, Z. This is the first step to write before starting of the coding and decoding anytime, anywhere. But my friends, I don't want to tell you 2 times, of course, forward and backward, instead of writing 26 letters forward and 26 backward and giving the numbers. It's no. I'll tell you in the simplest way that better start, of course, A to EM you write first of all. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and M. This is stop here. Now start from this N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, Z. This is story beta. Now start A to Z here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are the numbers we have to give up to 26, please. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. This is up to 26 I'm writing. This is the first step. Right? Then I'll tell you one example, and I'll take an example here. Generally, I can use the same thing here. Example A, word is here, B-O-Y. Boy is coded as, imagine some 45. In same style, how can you code for COW? A question is there. No doubt we have different options, A, B, C, D, or you can see if you have E also, not a problem at all. So, first point is only one word is here, that is boy is 45. My question is COW beta. So how boy has become 45? If you, of course, find the logic, automatically implement the same logic for the right side. That's COW. So B, O, and Y. Write the letter of the place of B. In this case, 1 to 26. B is 2. O 15. And Y25, right? Add all these things. What are you finding here? 25 plus 15, 40 plus 2, 42. But we have 45 is there, sir. So what you did in this case? Simply adding of 3 numbers, the 3 to this, it has become 45. So there is one more application, generally not a problem. Plus 3, right side also plus 3. But point is, and sometimes, of course, in certain situations, sir, why he has taken 3? Example, now we have no problem, COW is there, 3 letters and 3 letters. If you have more letters, then the logic will be different. That is what you say, the 3, because we have in a letter, in the word called as boy, 3 letters are there, 3 letters are there, then have added 3. If candle is there, if I have taken that, if I were taking the candle, number of letters, plus that is you have to do that. So here luckily you have COW, not a problem. C for 3, O for 15, better W, 23. 23, 26 plus 15 is 41. So 41 is there, no doubt. But what to do for this? See, you say na 3, 8, this one. Because W is 23 only, my dear. Yes, exactly. So 43, 41, how much we have to do that? That's exactly plus 3. So your answer is how much here? 44. This is a style. So it is one number representation. You can say word with word, right? So example, imagine that apple. This is coded as, I'll write here, B, Q, Q, M, F. How can you code for banana? I'll take, of course, some word here. Right? So, beta, the logic in this case is A, B, the next letter, P after Q, P after Q, L, M, E, F. So, you can write the code for this is C, A after B, N after O, A after B, N after O. This is what you say. Sometimes what he will give us, he gives in this case that is 2 letters gap, 3 letters gap. And you can say one more application is that I'll just tell you here, APPLE is there now. He gives us F, M, P, Q, B. How can you code for the same thing here, right? In this case is what? Baffle. I have taken this word. So beta, here we have 2, 4 and 5 letters. But in this case is what? We have exactly 6. So I will take one more letter here, bafflet. Some letter I've taken that. How to do, sir? What to do in this case? But the story is same. A after, this is what you call here, B, E, F, P, Q, L, M. This letter, the middle letter is same. So middle letter you have to write F is same. So this is a way. B, C comes here. T, U will be like this. So sometimes you have to think in this manner also. Hope you understood the concept of minimum. This is, of course, anyhow, a very big program we have for CSAT II of UPSC and prelims mains batches and modules also there. Individually, we can say Indian economy, polity, geography, individual, wherever you can have. Example, you join some institute and otherwise you are far away from the place and you are weak in certain section. Don't worry, mantra is there. We can simply give you the particular section. Only one thing wherever you can have the problem. That's we say modules. We have that program also. For anything, you're most welcome to Mantra IAS Academy. 880-162-7181 is our number in Hyderabad. Of course, you just to contact me. Otherwise, you for just what a website, you can say that our right Google Map, you can find everything there. So point in the cases. Now today's topic, this is what, sir. Very important. Of course, I've taken minimum number of questions, but I'll cover, right? At least I'll just give you the point how to solve the problem of coding and decoding in this topic. So beta RAM is 32. RAM is coded as 32. In same style, how can you code for MAN? This is the question beta. Or the place of R is in alphabetical order. It's 18. A for 1, M 13. If you add all these things, 13 plus 1, 14 plus 18 is 32. Same style, man, M is 13, A 1 and N 14. 14 plus 14, of course, we have 28. So the option is C. So in this case, directly we have taken the letters. There ends the matter. And adding of all these things, we are getting that. Sometimes what he will do that, he gives us RAM is 5. Observe this point. RAM is 5. Same thing, what is man? In the same style, remember. Then after adding of this RAM value is 32 now. Then convert into single digit format. 3 plus 2. Adding of the digits concerned final number is 32 plus 2. That is 3 plus 2 is 5. In same cell we have 2 plus 8. So what is that? That is 10. Right? So the option is, if you just check that, option is 10. On some cases he will keep us 0 also. This is what, 1 also. Why that? Because single digit format. 1 plus 0 again you can say 1. That is what. That depending upon the options and logic, just focus on that and you can do easily that. Don't worry. Now please come to the point of here. Palam is 43. What is Santa Cruz? That is what you say. P-A-L-A-M. How this is 43? You just write the value P16 beta. If you just say no, because I know all the maximum, I have idea about the letters. Otherwise, you check it here. P16. That is the way. A, no need of checking that. Everybody know that, of course, 1. L is 12. A1. M 13. Baba, what's the total here? 3 plus 1, 4. 6. 7 plus 6, 13. 2, 3, 4. That's the reason adding of the concerned places you got 43. In same fashion, SANTACRUZ. Just write the place. S19, A1, N14, T20, A1 and C3 are 18, U21 and Z26 beta. So just of course you just focus on S means what is your 19 like that. In the beginning of course definitely you have to do in this method, but after perfection of course, after practicing maximum numbers, maximum times otherwise, then you can without referring the letters you can write easily that. That's man nothing but it's possible for everybody because practice makes man perfect. Now come to the point here. What is that sir? Observe the logic. Baba 19. Adding all these things, please. 6 plus 1, 7. 15, 18, 19, 23, 24, 33. Then 3 plus 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. So this value 123. If it is there, okay. Otherwise, nothing. Because of the logic is confirmed. Option is A. Beautiful. So please go to the next one here. That question is better. March, right? I'll remove all these things here. March is coded as AMRHC. Then what's the code of BARKS? So this is what you say. Now logic is very simple. Observe the logic. MARCH. It has become, what is that beta? Observe the logic please. Middle, I'll write AMHS. Middle letter is same. So AM or HC. Hope you understood the logic. Baba, this is what you call the middle letter is same. So BARKS, the middle one is same in this case also R, whereas MA interchanged the places. M place occupied by A, that is what? Just reverse. Reverse is just what you can say. MA reverse is AM. CH reverse is HCR, just interchanging the places. So A, BA is going to be AB. KS is now we have to write it as SK. So answer is AB or SK. Where do you find it? Option B. Third question is option B beta. It's third or fourth? Okay. Third is now this one, my dear. Come to the point here. I think these also observe it very carefully. Simple point. Now same question and different way, don't feel that. I'll just go to the fourth question now. What we have here. Observe the logic. I'll write here. Baba. MARCH. Now it has become what? HCRAM. Hope you understood that. Just previous question and BARKS. Now what do you say? Middle letter is no doubt same, but in this case CH has become HC. So KS is going to be SK. BA is now, we have to write it as AB. Same cell, na? MA is AM. So SK or AB. This is the answer, please. So and sometimes this is also very important. Now please observe the question number 5. What is that, sir? Time is written as JUFN. How can you write here? How will be both be written? That's the point here. TIME Baba. JUFN. Now my question is BOTH. Please observe that. Please. MN Baba. EF. TUIJ. So TU, same cell, B after C, O after P. In same style, this is TU, H, I, right? So what do you call PCIU? Where do you have this option? B. This is a way of doing, right? So you have number of models. Just have taken minimum number of questions today, right? In our regular program, we'll teach you number of questions and number of models, right? But of course, this will definitely, even you by using these problems, you can definitely try minimum, right? And by purchasing a textbook, if you practice more and more, definitely you can become master of it. So brass is 4, king is 5, then dumb is what? Baba, first point is how the BRAS has become 4. Later, in same cell KING should be 5. The same logic we have to apply for DUMB. That's a major point now. B for 2, R18, A1 beta. Correct? And of course we have S is there, it's 19, brass. Now adding of all these things, 20 plus 20, it's 40. But we have 4, indicates single digit format. 4 plus 0 is 4. Same style, check here. JK, because J10, K11, I9. I told, I just what already the numbers have idea. Otherwise, please, you check it. There ends a matter, write it. No problem for that. Logic is K11, I9, N is 14, Baba, G7. Now tell the logic what's the total here. Exactly, I'll do one thing. 7 plus 4, 11. 11, 9, 20, 21. This is 3, 4. Beta 41. So now what you can say 4 plus 1 is obviously 5. So after getting certain total, again single digit format, or you can say adding of the digits. D 4, U 21, M 13, B 2 Baba. What's the value? 15, 16. I'll do one thing. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 10, 2, 4, 4, 0. So now the same story, 4 plus 0, our answer is 4. People will be, what's the reason behind this? Sure, they won't expect the same answer. So brass is 4, king is 5, how can it will be? Yes, it will be, that's it. Right? When logic is strong, no need of changing your option, my friends. That's a major thing here. Then come to the point of CAP is 6, NO is 6, then QBA is what beta? It's a very good question, actually speaking, little application oriented. Just I wrote this question especially to tell you, and sometimes in the examination hello to take some decision. That's a major reason. Come and tell me, what is the CAP? C for 3, A1, P16. If you add all these things, what is that totally, please? It's 20. Again, single digit format, 2 plus 0 is 2. To get 6, the only option for me, I'm experimenting, this is what I'm doing, that multiplying with 3. If next also balanced in same manner, then my logic is okay. Otherwise, I can place 4 something, I have to do that. So I've taken 2 into 3, 6. So after adding of N and O, I should do the same thing, that into 3 after getting single digit format. Now NO, Baba, N is 14 and you say O 15. The total is here, how much it is? 29. This value 2 plus 9 is how much, please? 11. After finding that 1 plus 1 again, it's 2. What is the story here? 2 into 3, now 6. So that logic is accepted. Now tell me QBA, Baba. Q17, B2 and A1. The total is perfectly, it is exactly 20. Right? So it's a very fantastic question. I told you 2 plus 0, no doubt 2. What to do that? Again, 2 into 3, the answer is 6. That means this also answer is. So this is the intention of the examiner, that, right? People won't keep option 6 for this because there is something other. That's the reason, right? I think you got the point which I'm telling here. The coding and decoding, a very crucial one. I told the number of models we have in this topic, Baba. Right? Just I'm going to give you the brief data, brief information upon this one. Now come to the point here. Abhijit is CEJ, and brother is in same style, how much it is. Yeah, better here, option A, DUQ, WJHT also there. B, EUQWKHT. Yeah, now come to the point here. How this Abhijit, A, B, H, I, J, I, T. Now, it is already, just he mentioned that, no need of, what is that? Of course, how this is something like that. Just follow the logic, implement the same thing for the next one. But A, C, gap of 1 letter, that is called B. B to E is C, D, so 2 letters gap. Again H, I, 1 letter gap. J, K, 2 letters gap. Again we say 1 is gap. So means what, I think you understood 1 to 1 to logic, my dear. This is U means 1 letter. The same style you have to apply for B, R, O, T, H, E, R. 1 letter gap. B after C implies, of course, you have to start with the D. 2 letters now. ST, you have to write U. Again 1. P, leaving, of course, you just leave that letter, take a gap of 1 letter, that OP. Q you have to write. Again 2 letters. UV, that's W, Baba. Again 1. HI means J here. FG, it is H. Again 1 letter. So D, U, Q, W, J, H, T. What is that? In option A. So this is a very good model, right? So many questions. Even I'll try to give you 2 or 3 questions to practice at home. And definitely after listening to this, my video, or after my class, definitely you do easily the other problems you can try. Right? Let's come to the point here. We have 15789 is XT ZAL, and 2346, it's written as here. The code of this is NPSU. He's asking that 23549. When information is maximum, the question is one. That's what, no need of worrying how it has become A, how it is now, what you can say, how 5 has become T, like that. No need of verifying that. Just check the numbers. If the same numbers existed in the concerned given data, then simply implement the same logic. We have 2, yes, we have 2. 3 also existed. 5 here. 4 is there. Now everything is exists. So 2 is coded as N, right, as it is N, that's all. 3 is now P, same, 3P, that's it. There is no need of course, investigation about that particular thing. Don't, how the 3 has become P, sir. No, it's not needed for you. He gave the code, follow the code, that's it. Pi, this is what you say, 5 is T. 4 is exactly S. 9 is, of course, we have L. NPTS L. NPTS L. That's in option C, beta. Right? Then go to 10th bit. Here, RAM is coded as RAM is coded as, imagine star. A for @ M is delta. You take, of course, I simply square. I'll use this. Now, man is square @ for A, N for dollar. And in same style, what is MAR? I told the same thing, that M is existed letter, A is also same, R is already existed in the given data. There's no need of finding the other way of doing. Simply what is our M is with square. A, of course, @ R is a star. Where is that star here? Yes, starting with del. This is what you say, square @ So this is the answer. Friends, this is what you call the coding and decoding, a very important topic, and number of models are there, right? Please focus on those models also, right? By that you can, if you're of course in Hyderabad or in the nearest way, if you want to join us offline course, most welcome. Otherwise, online we are available, right? Just call me. We have online courses there for CSAT II, because the class is specially now we are talking about CSAT II, and I told you already PCM programs also there, and even individual modules also there. So that just call me on this number, right? I'll guide you that. So have a wonderful time. We'll meet again with another video, right? Tomorrow. Bye-bye. Good day.